So, Joshua, can we please go to WhatsApp? There are many questions.
Okay.
Thank you.
First question. I can't remember if someone asked this yesterday.
It was from yesterday. We didn't answer. It was after the class, I think. Tell me, what is the question?
That was the question. Do you want me to ask that one? Because that one was at the very end of class. Like,
what was it? Tell me, what was it?
Okay. I can't remember if someone asked this yesterday, but I was wondering what if it was like a Monday or Wednesday and our fingernails are crooked or jagged or got a hangnail. Is it okay to clip them, or do we have to wait till Friday to clip them?
Okay. That's a good question. Thank you very much. So there's no problem to clip and fix your nails, like especially for ladies, right? They're very sensitive about the nails. Guys, not as much. But you're allowed to fix it, like especially if it was broken before. But if possible, don't cut it like very close, so you can do a little more on Friday night, Friday afternoon, and say that's like all Shabbos. Just leave a little extra. But here it's like emergency fix, and leave a little extra for Friday night. Okay.